Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indun jaba. The Ojibwe word for January, Gichi-manidoo-giizis, literally means Great Spirit Moon. Winter's a sacred time of the year. The northern lights are their most active. The northern lights are symbolically representative of the spirits of the departed dancing with one another. And this is a time when we're telling winter legends and so forth, all reflected in the name, Gichi-manidoo-giizis, the Great Spirit Moon. The Ojibwe have a lunar calendar. There are 13 lunar cycles in a year, and because of the geographic range and even weather differences between different Ojibwe communities, there might be some regional variation in the words that we use to name each of the moons. Gichi-manidoo-giizis. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.